In Blue Cloud, we delivered a collaborative environment where scientists can improve the understanding of the ocean through the implementation of specific indicators, can model the functions of the ocean through new models, and can also better represent it through specific workbenches that improve the quality of the dataset.
Thanks to Blue Cloud 2026 project, EDITO, the European Digital Twin Ocean platform and initiative, will integrate into the European Open Science Federation, in particular in the EOSC Marine Node that has been developed by Blue Cloud community, so that we can make the marine information more accessible to everyone.
Blue Cloud and the virtual labs and the workbenches bridge this gap between scientists and policymakers by bringing together a set of analyses and tools and data sets. So in the eutrophication workbench, what we are trying to do is to bring together the major blue data infrastructures that they are fragmented in some ways, and this fragmentation makes interoperability more difficult. So in the eutrophication workbench VLab, we have built a set of tools and a workflow that is easy for the user to reproduce the way to merge this data.
Blue Cloud Hackathon is a really useful event to get scientists and emerging technology to kind of work together so we can explore what's possible in future. So that was the motivation for the hackathon. We then went and implemented some tools and kind of experimented with some ideas that would allow us to actually go and implement that and actually go and do that. So it was a super well-timed event. It was really great to be able to use the latest technologies, use the kind of the VLabs and the workbenches that have been made with real scientists, with real scientific data for a real problem.
We decided to enter in the hackathon event because we had an idea of a project around an invasive macroalgae species that is threatening the Strait of Gibraltar and many places in the Iberian Peninsula. And we wanted to combine the experience we have with Earth observation by detecting this biomass in the beach and trying to go backwards with the models of the Blue Cloud Hackathon to check if we could predict this biomass, to know in which beaches it could be arriving.
From the perspective of FAME, Blue Cloud and EOSC can help us researchers to move from not simply discovering open access data, but also to use reproducible scientific workflows. In FAME, we are developing Glossa, which is a toolbox for marine species distribution modeling. And we see these federated research environments helpful to connect data, connect tools, the community. But in order for this to be sustainable and adopted, we think they need to be practical for the real users. That means they should have clear onboarding, long-term maintenance, interoperable standards, good documentation. So for me, the key for adoption to happen is that these environments should reduce complexity instead of add another layer to learn.